Look at this. I got Dolphin Emulator for iOS and Android. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Dolphin Emulator on iOS and Android. You can play awesome games. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, I'm playing my Scarface game right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, I am on an iPhone, so it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download. So it's pretty simple. We're just going to go over to this website called hexmods.com, which has a bunch of modded apps. So once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Dolphin, and you should see it right here. So we're just going to press on it, press the download button. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be a little verification step, which is pretty easy. You just have to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. And so as you can see, it's going to tell us that we have to do the verification. I don't know why it just froze, but we're just going to wait for it to load. All right, so yeah, this is super easy, guys, and I've done it like 12 times because everyone was like asking me to do it for them. But as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So there's going to be around 4 apps on this page. Just press on the app, press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the App Store, and you just want to download it. Now, some of these are going to be pretty simple, like the Evertail, which just says run for 30 seconds. But then we got Family Island, where you got to reach level 10. So I actually did that one. It's pretty easy, but make sure you are reading the instructions. Now, bear in mind, guys, this is so simple. Like, here's I think this one's called Travel Town. Like, this is just an example. Like, all you gotta do is just run it and like play around with it, and it's so easy. And just reach the level requirement, you guys are gonna be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, and peace out.